Good Wednesday evening or Thursday evening. So look, I'm just hopping on here to do this really quick. Okay, it's harmonic minor, E harmonic minor. Um, it's got some cool sounds to it. I'm gonna point out a few things as I'm playing it, and you'll be able to tell. So that's basically two shapes in E harmonic minor. So I'm just gonna kind of like break down the patterns, right? But you need to know them. But what you're really looking for out of this is there's going to be one position two times. You're going to have basically a step and a half stretch. I'll show you. Right here. Right here. That's the note that gives it. Hear it? So then you slide it up. There's our step and a half again. Then we end with the now bouncing around the fret board, you'll learn like same thing, right? Same notes. We just moved them around to a different. We started on basically the B string, right? But if you look at it, you got B, C, and then you have D. We don't play D though, we play D sharp. Or E flat, D sharp, E flat. Where this opens up is from here, you can go. That's how you come up with the phrasing stuff, right? Doing stuff like that in an E harmonic minor, it builds an understanding, right, in your mind what sounds right and what doesn't sound right when you're playing an E harmonic minor. You know, that is all nice stuff. It sounds good. You know, you take a So anyway, that's just a short lesson on kind of how to get around E harmonic minor. Look at the stuff, check it out, and like, um, there's some good stuff in here that I played. I know it's kind of fast, but you know, I mean, it's better than nothing, right? So you're getting something. study that E harmonic minor, and you'll find cool tones like I showed you, right? And you can build off of them. And believe it or not, like I said, it you play them at the right time, and you will definitely catch some people's eyes. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, have a great night, and I will see you guys again soon. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I do appreciate it. And thanks to all the old subscribers. I appreciate you guys too. So have a good night. Stay safe.